This is my empty apartment tour. This is the key. It's digital, it's not really a key, so when you walk in, this is what you see. I can control the door with my phone and everything else. It's like high tech, the tech package in this unit. So here we have stainless steel appliances. I have the double-sided refrigerator with the water thing finally and the ice thing. And these are the cabinets. I really love how light they are. I do have high ceilings too, but I love the backsplash, the gray brick. It's really cute. Everything is stainless steel, a dishwasher. My favorite is the sink. I've never seen one like this. This is really cool to me, so yeah, that's really cool. There's lights under here that come on. I'm gonna get some LED lights and put them under here, but for now, I mean, that's that. I haven't stayed over here yet, y'all, so I only have like a few things in here. That's why I said empty apartment tour. Put the TV over there because they installed the thing to hide the wire, so it goes through there. So the TV's gonna go there. I'll probably get a 55, 60 inch if a 60 will fit. I think I'm gonna set up my desk, my work area over here, and just get one of those things you can swivel to make the TV turn this way. Then I put a sectional over here or something. I'll figure it out, I don't know. But what really sold me on this one, y'all, is these windows. Like, look at the windows. They almost floor to ceiling, and I got the same ones in my bedroom. So this is really what sold me on this unit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put the sectional over here. I got built-in speakers, y'all, in the apartment. There's two of them, one over there and one over here. And I'm the first person to ever live in this unit. A pantry over here. I normally don't, or my last few apartments didn't have pantries. Like I said, I haven't stayed here yet, so I don't really have no food or nothing. But we got the double-sided refrigerator. The island comes with these drawers, and they're really like deep. I got stuff in the first one already, so I'm gonna show y'all this. They're really deep, and they're like soft close. Everything is soft close. Like I said, the windows is pretty much floor to ceiling. The space is really big. This is the biggest apartment I've ever had. My next one gonna be 2 bedrooms, period. Like, I'm not going for anything under 2 bedrooms, but for now, this will do. It's big enough. Like, it might look really small on camera, because when I looked at the virtual tours, it was really small looking, but it's not. It's really big. Built-in speakers, so I can play stuff through here, which that's pretty cool. The speakers. Okay, so we're gonna go in the bedroom, y'all. This is like the little hallway. This to the right is a closet. It's a coat closet. Then the bathroom is the door straight ahead. Then this is the bed. Really have anything set up in my bedroom yet. So like I said, this is an empty apartment tour. I don't have my furniture in here yet, or my comforter and stuff. I haven't even stayed over here yet. So this is the bedroom, y'all. It looked kind of small on camera, but it's really not. So yeah, there's a door in here that leads to the bathroom as well. So yeah, this is my bedroom. Once it's decorated and stuff, I'll put up a apartment tour, a furnished apartment tour. But for now, that's that. So then we have the bathroom right here. So yeah, this is my bathroom. That's what you see from the hall. We have a closet right here. And this one, this is where you put your towels and stuff. I did not have this in my last apartment, so I'm excited about that. I'm excited about some silly stuff, but this is the door I was talking about. So there's a door here and a door here to get into the bedroom, and then one for the guests to get in. Y'all know my favorite part is this mirror. That's my favorite part, but I'm gonna try not to show myself in the camera. I have a lot of drawers. All of them are like soft closed, and then I have a lot of space under here and another cabinet over there. Toilet, you know, a couple towel racks, the usual. The tub, the shower, favorite also, because look at that shower head, y'all. Period. Like, look at that shower head. Like, and the tub is super deep. I'm in love. Like, the backsplash and everything. I'm just in love, okay? So, yeah, I have in here already, I don't have anything else besides my perfumes, which are my favorite from Dossier. You guys can click the link. I'll have the link in the video, also in the description box down below, so you guys can shop their site. Luxury high-end brands, they do have dupes to those. So if you like, let's say, YSL Black Opium, I have this one right here, which is my favorite from Dossier, which is the Floriental Vanilla. This one is my favorite scent from Dossier. So this one is supposed to smell like YSL Black Opium. They give you a little, you know, note that tells you everything about the scent, and they come individually packaged. Okay, it's really cute, really neat. They smell awesome, y'all. Like, I have the real Black Opium, and this is spot on. I sprayed them next to each other, and they smell exactly the same. So you guys, if you are interested, you can go ahead and check these out. They have very affordable prices. You guys can click the link in my description box and check out Dossier, okay? So back to this, the mirror does have a LED light, y'all. I'm in love with that. There's also a light over the tub I forgot to turn on, so there's a light up there as well if I don't want to use that other one. You got the toilet, you know, the toilet paper thing. And then my closet, I have a couple things in here, y'all. Like I said, I haven't officially moved in here yet. I haven't even stayed here, but this is what I have in here so far. Nothing really, just some shoes and clothes. I have a full-size washer and dryer over here, but this, for now, this is just it, okay? I have a really big closet, but this is all that I have in here so far. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, y'all. This is the bathroom from this view. Okay, so that's really all that I have, y'all, for this apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it and like the new space. It's way better than my last apartment. If you guys looked at that video, it'll probably be available to view on the channel anytime. But so don't forget to check out Dossier's website, guys, if you are interested in luxury perfumes at an affordable price. And I'll see you guys in my next upload.